My name is Marc Shutto. I'm the Denver area manager for Expedited Service Partners. I have 36 years of restoration experience. Twin Towers was a project I was on when the first bombing happened, Oklahoma bombing, the shooting at Columbine, a lot of hurricanes. I spent 2.5 years in Puerto Rico after Hurricane Maria hit 2018, and just several projects across the country, whether they were small water damages to large water damages to fires, tornadoes, about everything you could possibly think of. In the beginning, it was pretty difficult to see such devastation. A lot of people were going through at that time. And what I've loved about this industry for so long is that we help people. And it's really that part of it is what I really love, is just helping people on a day-to-day wherever we can, whether it's helping them get their life back or helping them restore their property or, just giving them some hope and whatever it is that they're going through at that time. There's not a script, like a plumber knows how to go in and fix a pipe. We get a job, we don't really know what we're up against or how to handle it until we really get on it and figure out the logistics behind it. So every day is different in our industry. It's always changing. There's always something going on. But the dynamic behind it of trying to figure it out in the beginning and then seeing the end result is really rewarding. Really, ESP sets itself apart from everybody else. We're not just equipment rental, we're also, solutions provider. We're job site, helping other contractors get done what they need to get done. So whether we're working alongside them, trying to accomplish the same goal, or just setting it up for them because they have other projects going on, there's really nobody else, in my mind, that really does what we do. We're unique in that way. I've seen a lot over the years, so it's good to have some expertise to say, yeah, I've dealt with a similar situation, and I have seen almost it all. So when I get onto a project, I'm already kind of used to seeing something in a similar way that maybe I've done somewhere in my career. It's also being able to have the demeanor to help a person through that issue, right, through that problem. So if you're a property owner and you're freaked out about what's going on at your property, it's also being able to have the understanding and the personality to be able to handle your situation and what you're going through. And that takes years of experience. A lot of people get on projects and right away they don't know. They don't know what to do. They don't know how to handle it. They don't know what to get. They don't know what equipment to put on it. They don't know how to handle the cleanup, plus deal with the property owner, plus deal with other people that may be affected by what's going on. So it's good to have that knowledge, that expertise like I have, to be able to at least calm a situation, look at it and say, this is what we're going to do moving forward. This is how we're going to handle it. I started with Chris when he really started the business. Great thing about Chris is he's never one telling you what to do. He's always the one out there right alongside you, helping you get it done, which is pretty awesome. And that's one thing that definitely sets us apart from any other company that would be out there. Our owner is actually out there with us. He's actually physically helping us solve these problems to whatever situation it is that we're up against. When you use ESP, you're not just getting myself, a Heather, a Chris. You're not getting just a service. You're getting something more. We're invested on another level. We love what we do. Doesn't even matter what's going on, day or night. Just know that we're always there for you. You can always count on us, even if you just want to talk about your dog.